Fudgy sweet cookies without turning on the oven, it's easier to do than you think. You can have no-bake chocolate peanut butter oatmeal cookies ready to snack on in no time. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we're making one of my favorite no-bake treats, chocolate peanut butter oatmeal cookies. It's a mouthful, but they're so easy to make, you're gonna wanna whip them up all summer long. To make your cookies, all you're going to need is old-fashioned rolled oats, not steel-cut oats, not instant oatmeal. You definitely want the rolled old-fashioned oats. Peanut butter, vanilla, cocoa powder, milk, sugar, butter, and salt. Don't skip the salt. The salt is definitely going to make these taste even more fudgy. I know it sounds weird, but that salt definitely takes your sweetness level to another dimension. So to start our cookies, we're going to go to the stove and bring to a boil the sugar, the milk, the cocoa powder, and the butter. Once that's melted and starting to get a little bubbly and amazing, we're going to bring it back over here, mix together the rest of the ingredients, and then make our cookies. So I brought my chocolate mixture over to the counter. We're just gonna mix everything together in the bowl. So we have our oats, and I'm just going to pour the chocolate over my oats. To that, we're going to add the peanut butter and kind of just push that down a little bit so it gets all melty, and some vanilla, and last, the salt. And just mix all of this together. You can smell the peanut butter. It smells so good. If you like Reese's peanut butter cups, this is definitely the cookie for you. And if you're not a big fan of like the rolled oats being so big and chunky, I love them like that. It gives the cookie like excellent texture. You can kind of just put all of your oats into the food processor and just give it a couple pulses, and it'll definitely break them down a little bit for you. All right, and that's it. At this point, we're going to plop them down onto a baking sheet, and I have a silicone baking mat here. You can use a piece of parchment if you prefer, but we're just going to take tablespoonfuls and just put it down on your baking mat. They'll spread out a little bit, and they'll immediately start to harden. So about 30 minutes is best to let your cookies set up, but they really do set up quite quickly. So you can either let these just sit on the countertop for about 30 minutes, or you can pop them in the refrigerator. I'm just gonna let these harden, and then I'm gonna come back and take a bite. So our cookies are all set up, and I am going to take a bite. So good. It is so fudgy. The peanut butter stands out just a little bit with a hint of the saltiness. So good. A great breakfast cookie. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.